I had a chat with the sweetest counselor. He had the softest smile and gently nodded as I spoke. He radiated empathy and compassion. Every now and then, he would write something down in a notebook as I talked. He was deeply interested in every word I said. Every emotion that crossed my face, every movement of my hands. Even the little things I thought didn't matter. Those were the things he especially cared about. He took me into some of my most painful memories, moments of trauma I had tried to bury. And when he saw the tears forming in my eyes, he paused. Then he reminded me of my identity in Christ. He told me, shame is not your portion. He said that if I would allow him to enter those painful places and bring all my hurt and trauma to him, he would take it from me and wash me clean, as though it had never happened. I was asking him, but how do I even give it to you? How do I let go? He said, cry, shout, do whatever you need to do to get it out of your heart. Feel the emotions and then lay them at my feet. So I did. I cried, I felt, I released. And somehow I felt so much lighter. Then he brought 2 Bible verses to my attention. Cast all your anxiety on him because he cares for you. 1 Peter 5 verse 7. And come to me all who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Matthew 11 verse 28. And if you're angry with him, don't shy away. He isn't afraid of your emotions. He can handle them. He wants you to let it all out. He is honored when you feel safe enough with him to be completely honest. Tell him how you feel. Tell him what hurt you. Tell him how he has been misrepresented to you. Because he wants to show you who he really is. Jesus is not running from your pain. He is sitting in it with you. And he is eagerly waiting for you to talk to him.